stepped out into darkness, open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart and hope for life spring with me. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful.